everyone. Welcome back to Beyond the Surface. Today's flow is going to be all about staying motivated, staying balanced, and staying focused. So before I get started, I want to give a shout out to the makers of this amazing mood enhancing gummy that I've been trying for several weeks now. And it's called Happy Her. The maker is Wing Women Wellness, and this has been a game changer for me. I recommend it for women over 40s who may be having, challenges with staying focused or focusing your mood or just being motivated to do some of the things you want to do throughout the day. So I recommend you try Happy Her by Wing Women Wellness. I will put the link in the description, so if you want to purchase it or find out more information about Wing, I tell you it's a game changer and it's helped me. I've been using it for several weeks now and I see a noticeable difference. So hope you enjoy the flow. We're going to focus on the Solar Plexus Chakra, which is also helpful with us as we try to stay motivated and focused, finding balance. Sometimes that happens when our chakras are out of balance. So I hope you've enjoyed a few poses that I've included. Enjoy the flow.